All right, so I'm gonna do a cold start. I notice a lot of times when I do that, when I give it some throttle, it won't do anything. I'll show you. Brand new battery. That's that cheap. Now I'll get this up. That's an incredible cloud of white smoke. And it'll just keep smoking like that pretty much indefinitely until I drive off. I feel like the idle's a little low. It definitely is a little bouncy. I know that's kind of normal though, but that smoke isn't quite so normal as far as I'm concerned. It's more than just a little puff. I know Oil Hammer says little puff, all BEWs. And that's, I mean, I'm fine with that, but that's, I mean, it's still just smoking out the tailpipe. And giving this throttle, I mean, like, holy fuck. However, I'll just drive off real quick.